There's really not a whole lot of difference between an indoor test and an outdoor test. Obviously, the big differences are where you're actually conducting the test. So if I'm conducting an outdoor test, for example, I might be doing what we call in the industry a drive test. I also might be doing what we call in the industry a site survey, maybe of a particular tower or a location that I'm planning to put a tower or an antenna to support my network. Or if you have an outdoor venue where Wi-Fi is part of what you provide to the customers or the consumers that are using this outdoor venue, then you'll probably want to test the Wi-Fi signal strength and Wi-Fi throughput speeds within this outdoor venue. Now the differences come into play in the duration of the test or how the test is actually conducted. For example, if I'm doing an outdoor test, what happens is when I start the test, it's a continuous test across time until I end the test. So the whole time that the test is going on, it's continuously capturing the signal strength, it's continuously capturing throughput speed if I have the throughput speed test feature turned on. The difference between the outdoor test and the indoor test with that respect is that in the indoor test, I'm not doing a continuous test, right? So basically what happens is I start my test, but I've uploaded an image of a floor plan, and using that image of the floor plan, I'm actually tap testing and go, or using a tap test and go feature to test at specific points on that floor plan, and that's the data that it collects. So the data is collected for that specific point and at that specific time and at that specific location. Now the second difference is how that data is visualized within the dashboard. So for example, an outdoor test, when I visualize the data, I'm going to be looking at continuous data, and the specific difference, or one of the big differences that you're going to see, is that the data that's captured on the map is going to be on a geospatial map. So you're going to see the continuous data of signal strength, for example, show up on a geospatial map within the dashboard. On the other hand, in an indoor situation, when I'm conducting an indoor test and I'm viewing the data in the dashboard, I'm going to see all those points that I collected, all those points of data that I collected during my test are actually going to be visualized on the image of the floor plan in the dashboard as individual test data for those individual test points. At the end of the day, when I'm testing a cellular or Wi-Fi network, the data that I'm capturing from the software app on the device is going to be the same data, whether I'm outdoors, whether I'm indoors.